ago, the realm was in chaos, plagued by violence and war, ruled by the most notorious supervillains, the Destroyers. Only one group of superheroes stood against them, the Guardians. With their mighty powers, they were able to defeat the Destroyers and imprison their leader Amplifier into the Speedster. With their last strength, all three Guardians scattered the key pieces around the world to keep their leader imprisoned into the Speedster. Now, 1,000 years have passed, and the world is at peace until that peace was disrupted.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
I'm to free my master from that wretched place which he has been trapped forever. Ah! My master will soon be merged. I'll go and gather his followers. Look at this. I shall reclaim what once was mine. I am free! It's been too long. Now I shall find my henchman. I hear him. Supreme, I'm coming. Finally, Master, we are united. It's you. It's been too long. I've been looking for you. I've been gathering our followers. They're waiting on you for your arrival. How far? I'll show you.
Looks like a potion of money. Yeah, all I'm brought down now, it's been over 55. You fool! Didn't we chop you 1,000 years ago?
You were the one to cut my master.
Yes, I was. What are you gonna do about it, you fool?
What happened to you?
Guys, listen to me.
Who did this? I want to know who did this.
Brother, where's your other brother?
He's home.
Oh, he's home, huh?
Yeah.
Listen, I need to tell you guys something.
What? What is it?
I have powers.
You drinking? Are you crazy?
Listen!
Have you been to rehab?
Listen!
You crazy,
Listen,
Pop.
I need
Crazy.
you guys to stop.
Let me
The
see
guy.
your bro. You been drinking?
No. I chopped a guy in the Speed Force 1,000 years ago. 1,000 years ago. So
Never
right now,
gone. Their time.
so listen, I'm gonna give you guys some powers. Please let your brother everything. Please use it wisely. I'm not gonna be around anymore. So just go and give me guys your hands.
I don't trust that.
Give me hands, please. I don't have much time.
Okay, Pop. Please stay along. Please stay along. What's happening to me? What's happening to me? What's
Come to me.
Need to get the power and test it. Get on this move, bro. Yo, this power is awesome. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Catch me if I can. I'm coming. I can do better than that.
Master, you called? We need someone else. We need an assassin. I haven't been around for 1,000 years. Things change. I know just the person for the job, Master. What's your name? Tiger. But first, Master, with your permission, Master, fetch Tigers for me.
Who are you?
I'm Supreme.
Who sent you?
My master, amplifier, champions of our champions.
For what?
We have a job for you, only you alone can do it.
What job is that?
It's an assassin job. But first, you will have to beat me in a duel to see if you're worthy to see my masterpiece.
Eh?
You are the most ready opponent I face in Egypt. I shall take you to my master.
What is your master?
Enough! I said, enough! He is the champion of our champion. Master, I'll bring her.
Who are you? Who's your master? I'm gonna kill you!
Nice try.
Why did you summon me here?
So you're the famous tiger.
Yes, I am.
Get up. I have a job for you.
What job is that?
I need to kill a speedster for me.
Who is that speedster?
His name is Flame.
Flame.
How much to do the job?
1 million.
Half now, half when the job is done.
When?
Now,
No.
Supreme, get the cash.
Master,
Everything.
don't fail my master.
I won't.
If you succeed, when I take over this world, I will have you standing by my side. Continue on.
Master, is there anything else you require from me?
Not at the moment.
Okay.
Get some rest.
Okay, Master, I'll go and gather some more followers for you. I've rested 1,000 years already, Master.
Sure.
Okay, Master.
This world will be mine again.
No, sir.
We have something you need to tell you if you never hear.
Stay far from it.
It's Uncle.
Papa died.
What?
He's dead.
He was killed by this evil speedster. He also gave us something to give to you.
And I need you to hold out your hand.
Papa dead?
Yes, and I need you to hold your hand. Just hold my hand.
I know this will seem a little strange, but I'll also give you some of mine.
That feel good.
What you feeling, bro?
Cool trick?
I feel
You want me to show you on the...
awesome. Ooh, I want to kill the guy like kill Papa.
You don't want to find out some new trick?
We also need to train first before we can revenge Uncle.
Yes, because Pops, you're never gonna be there to help us because he's gone. So you are my little brother, and I have to bring you. I don't want you to use this power against no one else but the enemy. I want you to destroy them all.
I will. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
Feels good to be alive today. Wanna kill somebody today. But who can I? Wait a minute. I sense someone coming.
I've been looking for you.
Yeah? Why is that?
I need to recruit you for my army.
I don't work for no one but myself.
You shall work for me.
No, I will not yield to no one like you.
You shall.
You may be powerful than me, but I have my pride to live for. There's no way I will work for someone as evil as you.
You shall die with that pride.
Can make a deal.
What sort of deal?
I only work for myself, but I'll I'll also work for money.
No problem.
Only thing you have to do, tell me when and where.
All of my recruits have to beat me on the road.
Fine. But I warn you, I'm faster than you. Look.
Many has tried, all has failed. A few are set to succeed, but not one shall prosper.
Or maybe, just with a little luck, I may beat you.
Let's go.
What can I say? I thought of a trickster.
Trickster, huh?
Yeah,
I'm a speedster.
whatever. One day, there's someone's gonna be more powerful than you, and he's gonna beat you. It may not be me. What are you doing?
What time is that?
Oh, you got jokes. One day you're gonna die.
I'm forever.
Nothing lasts forever.
I do.
Well, not anymore. Ugh.
I see you. Ready to give up?
Never.
That's nice.
Never will.
Show me your full strength, Indian.
Do you want to see my full strength?
Bring it.
You won't last a minute.
That's all you got?
What was that?
Can I try?
It felt like I never hit anything. Are you some kind of god?
Can I try now? Please?
You know that a Speedster foot is his main weapon. Did you choose? Saw me with it.
You ready to surrender?
Never!
Heal! No, say I killed my father though.
Who's your father?
All speed! I'm gonna come for revenge! Come here!
So far the father, so far the son!
You're weak!
Who is this guy? Who's this guy?
He's a whole enemy son! So far the father, so far the son.
Well, he's a guy and his son.
Leave him!
Why?
Let him grow. He's too puny for my level. I'm tired.
It'll be a perfect opportunity for me to kill you. But I gotta admit, I admire your strength. But nice to be working with you. But once you betray me, I will kill you.
Bring me to Addington Crossroad.
Brother.
Oh, go on.
The one amplifier just beat me up, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Oh!
You have somebody by his side.
Again?
Yes.
No. Two now. Two now. Two.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So basically, you kill your father. So, oh, you're still alive?
Yeah. Why escape? Me escape. You know about
You sure escape?
You know about kill me, I'm running.
So, you show mercy then?
Yeah. But I tell you, saying strong up on the own one.
Okay.
Couldn't beat him. But he had a henchman as sharp as fist me face him now.
Oh, so yeah, I went for a weekly.
Yes.
So all them minds to kill Papa.
I know so do I catch him off guard.
I must that, because Papa went all on it. Papa probably speed days were over, I guess.
Catch him off guard.
We need to get rid of him. At least one of you upon one, the new one. Right? Alright. I'm running.
I didn't introduce myself. The name is BD.
What's the meaning of that?
Black Dragon of Destruction.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, same. Been nice working with you. Like it would be fun. I was getting bored. Time's getting kind of slow, you know?
I had a henchman named Supreme. I think you will like him.
Oh yeah? Is he strong as you?
No?
So you're saying he's a weakening?
Compared to me? Quite far.
Is that right? Well, I gotta say, I heard that name before, but I don't know why. There's something fishy about that instrument you have. I heard it, but I'm sure you'll figure it out soon enough.
Who are you?
Who is it? I'm the Papa, right? You killed my father.
Let me guess.
All this stupid idiot rest.
Your whole Speedster. Oh yeah. Run.
You got one vital information to tell me. You didn't tell me that there was someone as powerful as you. The most powerful of them all. So you tell me there's someone with God like power, just like yours?
The sad part about it is that I'm not using full strength.
Why didn't you? Do you find enjoyment out of this?
It's fun.
Well, when I get a target to kill, I intend to kill it, not play with it.
I've been locked away for 1,000 years.
Is that right? 4,000.
Let's go home.
Why didn't you use your full power? Answer me.
I like to feel underestimated.
That's not fun when you're getting your ass whooped, is it?
It's been a while since I felt pain.
Well, I'm happy you enjoyed it. Because I didn't.
I did.
But I didn't. You know, I told you already and I'm going to tell you again. That pride you have is going to kill you one day. So you carry on with your foolish.
You will be the first to tell me.
Yeah. And I'll also be the last, eh? We should have. We could have ended there. You have all that power. And all you take this thing is for a game. You could even rule this world. But you choose to play with it like a child.
The thing is, you feel that you are three of them. We were fighting two, but there was someone else hiding.
I could tell. But he knows how to hide his presence real good.
Not from me, though.
Oh well. Well, all I can tell you is this. That presence is nothing good. He's not powerful. But he's sneaky. And someone who's sneaky is a very bad news.
Bad news for you, but good news for me.
You're gonna die bad.
I'm gonna die.
Well, I'm gonna be witness to that.
I'm forever.
No. Nothing is forever.
I am.
You talk that. But in life, things what you think is forever are short by just a flick of a finger.
Well, it's gonna take more than 2 fingers to pick.
But I gotta admit, you're fun to be around. But you're also dumb as hell.
Who are you?
My name's BD.
You dare look upon my master face? Explain yourself.
Well, we fought. We became friends.
Is this true, master?
Yes, it is. Where were you?
I was gathering our followers, master.
We got 2 new enemies.
Should I take care of them for you?
No, not yet. Where's Tigress?
She is now in battle with the enemy.
Fetch Tigress for me.
As you requested, Master.
Don't bark at me, boy.
May I have permission to kill him?
No, he's one of our greatest allies yet.
I don't like him.
Same for me.
No one else stood close to my master expecting.
As I said, there's something about you I don't like. Every fiber of my being is twitching when I'm around you.
Hey! I'll carry out your request, Master. As for you, we'll settle this later.
There won't be that guy, I really don't like him.
He has been around with me for 1,000 years.
Yeah? I wonder if I can actually kill that guy.
You wanna die?
Not really.
Since you're so anxious to kill somebody, I got a job for you.
Oh yeah?
I want you to kill somebody for me.
This will be fun.
His name is Flames.
Flames? You mean that guy with the contact fur?
No, he's his cousin.
His cousin?
Yeah.
I never saw his cousin before.
Follow Supreme. He's going close by.
Will do. I'll bring his head as well.
Sure.
Yeah. What was that for?
I told you I don't trust you.
Well, boss sent me here to kill someone.
To kill who?
Some guy named Flames.
The one assassin was advised to kill.
Yeah.
But assassin is taking care of the job.
Well, he thinks that you don't have enough. How should I put it? Bravery or balls to pull it off.
Well, since boss is the one that sent you, go ahead.
Yeah.
But remember, if you're killed in the process, that would make me very happy. Because I still don't trust you.
I doubt that.
I'll be reporting this to Master.
Do what you want. Because I'm gonna bring him back his head. You wimp. I guess boss didn't mention that you were this for as well.
Who are you?
The name's BD.
What do you want with me?
Well, let's just say your head's supposed to be in a platter. Sir, raw.
Well, if you want my head, you have to come and take it.
That's the whole point. Wouldn't be no fun if it was easy.
Where's Tigress?
I'm sorry, Master, but I eliminated her.
Why?
Because she has failed to do her task, Master. She wasn't worthy enough.
I think she was an ally of hers.
Process completed. Settle down, boy. Any for you.
Master,
Problem.
may I ask you a request, Master?
Sure.
Can you put your dog on leash?
But this dog doesn't pass bite.
That a request can be done, Master?
How about I let you both have a duel?
That sounds fun.
Master, I feared you won't be a worthy opponent, Master. I've been around for 1,000 of years. I've been around longer than him, Master. So what can he do to me? I'm immortal, Master.
I guess I've heard.
Master, another request, Master?
Sure.
May I take my leave and go and gather our followers and leave this barking dog a chew on his tail?
Request has been granted.
Thank you, Master.
BD.
Yeah.
It's time to end this.
Couldn't agree more.
Leave the one in the black.
Very well, sir. Well, I guess I'll take the one in the green.
Get him.
Little payback.
The beating has returned.
Very funny. Did you find a little joke, huh?
Ready for another beating?
Beating. You're the one that's gonna die today.
I don't think so.
What?
In the chill, yeah, the waves crash, oh so slow. White foam, overload. My mind never knows quite where to go, yeah. And I feel so unknown, misunderstood, alone. Miles away from coast, but no one knows, yeah.
No.
Remember what happened here. Remember who you are.
2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He holds the gun against my head. I close my eyes and bang, I am dead. I know he knows that he's killing me for mercy. And here I go. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. And here I go. Oh, 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 oh.